back to the LNC Painter YouTube channel. In today's video, we got a bumper for a 2022 Hyundai Santa Fe. It's a brand new bumper and it's a 3-stage red pearl that we're gonna try and match to the quarter panels and the trunk. So let's see how it goes. Here we're gonna spray our base coat, 2 coats, and then we'll do our mid coat. Our bumper is dry. We applied our 2 coats of base. Now we're gonna do our 2 coats of mid coat. The mid coat will darken it and hopefully it matches to the rest of the car. The Hyundai Santa Fe bumper is painted, installed, and ready to go. We washed the car, but it was raining a little bit, so it's still wet. But let's take a quick look, see what it turned out like. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and comment below. Also, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos. That is going to be it for today. We'll see you guys in the next one.